Hi guys, welcome to the exhibition in Switzerland. We would like to show you the setup, the use case we would like to do also on the global shop. Here you can see the RFID readers below the table, and on each product we have an RFID tag. Once you lift the product up, the lamp will highlight the product. Once you put it back, the lamp will shut off. And once again, if you lift it up, also the content on the big screen will change according to the product you lift up. Also, you have the option to select another product. Content will change again. And also, the lamp will highlight the other product we choose on the screen. So, here's another use case. This use case is done with two viewneo 4K signage boxes and the split sync plugin. Once you select the product, the content will change on the other player and will display on the other screen. So if you follow me to the next use case, here we have the face recognition. Once the camera realizes the person in front of the camera, it will change the content according to the gender and to the age. So this is the male content, and once the female comes in front of the camera will recognize a female person, and accordingly the content will change for a female person.